Welcome to SAT Climb. Agreement questions, subject, verb, pronoun. The SAT hides the subject behind a wall of extra words and bets you'll match the verb to the wrong noun. Don't. Here's how to find the real subject every time. The core trick, interrupters. The collection of rare stamps is valuable. Subject, collection, singular. But the SAT parks of rare stamps right before the verb, hoping stamps are sounds right. Cross out the prepositional phrase, and the sentence tells you the truth. The full SAT version. The network of trails that wind through these mountains, blank, maintained by volunteers. Strip the interrupters, of trails gone, that wind through these mountains gone. The network is maintained. Singular subject, singular verb, no matter how many plural nouns crowd the middle. Memorize the singular squad. Each, either, neither, everyone, every one of. Neither of the proposals is feasible. Neither is the subject, and its singular of the proposals is just another interrupter. Same with each of the players, everyone on both teams. Singular, singular, singular. Pronouns play the same game. A pronoun matches its antecedent, the noun it stands for, in number. The museum expanded its collection. Museum is singular, so it's not there. And watch the collectives, the committee, the team, the orchestra. On the SAT, they take singular verbs and singular pronouns. Your turn. The list of finalists, blank, posted this afternoon. Find the subject first. Pause if you need more time. Subject, the list of finalists is the decoy. The list was posted. B. One more. Neither of the telescopes, blank, powerful enough to resolve the binary star. Remember the squad. Pause if you need it. Neither singular squad, neither of the telescopes is powerful enough. C. 3 traps. Matching the verb to the nearest noun instead of the subject, cross out the interrupter first. Forgetting the singular squad, each, either, neither, everyone. And letting a pronoun drift from its antecedent, the museum is an it, not a they. Agreement solved. Find the subject, cross out the noise, match the number. Start free at satclimb.com.